The ingredients used to make the lasagna were flour, tomato extract, milk cream, maize starch, nutmeg, onion, meat, and milk.
First, we cooked the pasta. Now you can see John trying to cut the tomatoes.
Put it in the cooker first, the onions, and we open up fine until fry. Frying the onion, add the meat, let it fry, and add the salt. The meat was frying. We initiated the preparation of the white sauce by melting butter. After this, we add the onions that John was cutting, and in the meat cooker, we add the tomatoes extract. Was frying, Mariana mixed water and maize starch to add later in the sauce. Add the mixture of water and maize starch in the sauce. In the other cooker, we put the tomatoes. After this, John failed at grating nutmeg, and we add also the milk to the white sauce.
Strawberry mousse if orange. Take the blender. Put the strawberries and orange in a glass of water. Mash the ingredients in the blender. After this, put the condensed milk and knock again. Add the sour cream and knock for 20 seconds. Pass this. Put the mousse in a bowl. Put the bowl in the refrigerator until the solidification.
For the tea, was heating water to dissolve the tea bag. Then we put everything inside the blender with ice to cool the tea, and then just pass it back to the jar.
After that, we put some lemon.
We have a guest to taste our food if it's good or not, if we can cook more times or go to the hospital. Yeah. Okay.
It's a good composition the way you did the lasagna. The taste is good. I give it to you and Nate.